Hello my fellow insurables, I'm Kelly with Arrow Final Expense. In this video, we'll go over, can I sell my life insurance policy for cash? And if you want to find out which type of life insurance policy cannot be sold, stick around till the end. In some cases, you can sell your life insurance policy. Now this may not be a choice for everyone, and everyone may not want to do this. But it can be an alternative to surrendering your policy or even letting it lapse. You may wonder, why would somebody want to do this? And there may be a number of reasons why, such as you no longer need the policy and no longer want to pay the premiums. The insurance rates are simply too high. You may need cash right now for an emergency. You may require financial support to cover long-term care or medical expenses. Your children are grown and they no longer need the financial assistance. Or you may be suffering from a chronic or terminal illness and could use the money now. So in essence, you may no longer need, want, or even be able to pay your policy's premiums. And there's the choice between selling your policy or letting it lapse. Or maybe you decide the death benefit just isn't worth paying all those premiums. And in some instances, your beneficiary may no longer need that benefit, or maybe you just need some cash. So in some of these cases, it may be more sensible for you to sell your policy, not just for the money, but also to reduce your monthly expenses. Now, some of the requirements to sell your policy are as follows. You must be the policy owner. Also, typically, you're going to need to be at least 65 years or older. Now, the exception to that is if you're under 65 and you have a serious illness limiting your life expectancy. And in general, your policy's death benefit will need to be at least $100,000 or higher to even entertain offers. Now, when you are receiving offers for your policy, there's going to be several factors that come into play. As we've talked about, your age, your health, the death benefit on the policy, and also how much are your policy's premiums. So in essence, the older you are, the larger your death benefit, the more likely you are to pass away, and the lower your policy's premiums will make your policy much more appealing to potential buyers. When a life settlement company does pay you for your policy, they're going to pay a lump sum typically equal to 50 to 75% of your policy's death benefit. When looking to sell your life insurance policy, you can do the same thing you did when purchasing it by comparing a variety of companies. And when looking into one of these companies, do your due diligence and make sure they are in good standing and have a good reputation. And just like the song says, my mama told me you better shop around. So when you are entertaining an offer from a particular viatical or life settlement company, you will need to fill out an application. That way they can review your policy and look into the death benefit, how much the premiums are, and your current health. And once you do find the right buyer, you'll sign a contract surrendering your rights to that policy. In that contract, the life settlement company will specify the lump sum you'll receive, as well as the arrangements to continue paying the policy's premiums until you die. Again, selling your policy may not be the best option for you, and you should always look into alternatives before making any kind of hasty decision. Those other alternatives can include, number 1, reducing your policy's death benefit. Number 2, replacing your coverage, getting a completely new policy. Number 3, surrendering your policy for the cash value. Number 4, using your policy's cash value. That's whether you borrow from it or use it to pay your premiums. Now, these are just a handful of options, and if you're considering any of them, you'll want to contact your insurer to discuss the details. So, as I mentioned in the beginning, certain kind of life insurance policies cannot be sold, and those are group life insurance, such as what you would receive through your employer, and any kind of government-issued life insurance. So that's it. That's a quick rundown of selling your life insurance policy. Let me say, I am not in any way affiliated with any life settlement company or any viatical firm. If you're looking at selling your policy, you need to do your due diligence and do the investigating for yourself. If you have questions about today's video or other life insurance topics, let me know down in the comments. And if you guys want to continue to get the best tips, facts, and honest information about life insurance, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.